ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity management software based in the cloud. It enables teams, organizations, or specific users to track in real time the progress of any given process of any given team member anywhere in the world. ClickUp has about 900 employees and has experienced rapid growth over the last 4 to 5 years. As any FP&A organization, we started on Google Sheets, and very quickly, as we scaled and needed more and more data to drive our decision making, we found that Google Sheets was just not going to cut it anymore. Google Sheets requires teams to connect every disparate Google Sheet into central locations in order to be able to use the data and the outputs of each specific Google Sheet. And the more connections you add, the slower it gets. Having experience in enterprise performance software, I knew that there were plenty of tools out there that could fit the needs of our finance organization and the rest of our organization in general. But as we were going through our procurement process, we found that Pigment not only met all of our base criteria, but exceeded our expectations in connectivity, processing power, and the ability to collaborate, which is very central to our organization. There are many measures of success that we've found in all of the tools that we've implemented across our digital transformation. But at the end of the day, the main measure of success is adoption. If users enjoy and want to use the tool that we've implemented, then we know that it's a success. So many technology platforms, when partnering with companies to implement their software, take a handheld approach, saying, we will do the implementation for you and then hand it off to the company to start using the tool. And many times this causes a failure in enablement. What Pigment does differently is jumps in the weeds with the company and makes sure that the team is fully enabled before they roll off the project. This ensures long-term success in that the tool is not given to a company, but is truly built, owned, and operated by every individual team that uses the tool. Many times when a company is looking to start a digital transformation, the company will start with the technology and then move to process. But what Pigment allows you to do is lift the rug on your current process and say, is this the best way to do it? And then will enable you to make the best decisions and create a new process that fits your updated technology stack. So Pigment comes with plenty of built-in connectors, and as a newer company that's going through a large digital transformation, we're seeing the implementation of many different products. And a majority, if not all of those products that we're using, all considered best in class, connect directly with Pigment. Some examples are Snowflake, Workday, NetSuite, and Greenhouse all seamlessly integrate with our Pigment instance and give us the ability to, in real time, upload data, transform it, and push it out to users, giving them valuable insights from any of their tech stack. My favorite Pigment feature is the contains function. Now, it's a bit of an odd function to have as a favorite, but I enjoy it because our data can be somewhat messy at the current stage of our life cycle. And so using contains allows us to do data transformation and data aggregation all within one tool, instead of having to move data to one place for transformation, one place for aggregation, and one place for reporting. Collaborative, transparent, and instant.